welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and today's video is going to be a Christmas decorating video. So I always decorate right after Halloween. I was a few days late this year. I just wasn't feeling it. So I didn't start decorating until like November 5th or 6th. But I just thought it'd be a nice, quick, fun little video showing you a little bit of how I decorate and everything. So if you're interested in that, that's going to be at the end of this video. But I also want to talk about going forward with content in the holiday season. I have November mapped out for the most part, so November's fine. But come December, I am toying with the idea of doing 25 days of Christmas, where I do a video every day, December 1st through the 25th. Is that something that I should do? I have ideas planned out. I can't do vlogs. Like, I can't do Vlogmas. I just can't. I don't have a life, and they would be the most boring vlogs ever. I don't leave my apartment. I don't even have a car. I don't have money. If you have any video suggestions on what you want me to do during the 25 days of Christmas, please let me know down below. I'd be happy to add it to my list. I could do different Christmas looks, Christmas eyeliners. I do tag videos, Christmas tags. I'm toying with the idea of doing like a baking video, but my kitchen's really tiny. I don't know how well that would go. So I'm just gonna throw up music over my clips of me decorating, so I won't have an outro. So I'll just say now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere, and all my information is in the description below. So yeah, let's get to decorating. Alright, here's what I have so far. It's not perfect. I'm missing like a ton of stuff. I need to get more lights to hang here. I want to get a smaller Christmas tree for over here. And then I want to get a few more knickknacks. I don't know if I'm going to keep the deer here. They're just really fragile, so I don't know where I'm going to put those. So I have the wreath, my mirror with the lights. I need to clean my mirror. Then I have my little trees here with my Santa. And I put up my garland, and then I decided to wrap lights around with that. And my little section, so I have my nutcrackers with my urns. It doesn't really match there, but you know, family affair. A few signs. This is kind of a mess here. And I just have a few things there. Our tree is gonna go in this corner. I just can't put it up until my husband's home because it's too tall for me to do by myself. But so far, this is my little reading nook. I have a blanket, my pillows. I love my Grinch pillows. Stockings, I don't know if they're gonna stay there, but my bookcases used to be separated and there was a middle section where I could put the stockings, but it doesn't work this year because obviously I expanded my bookcase. So this is what I'm working with, and that is baby me with my grandpa.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died.